The ancient rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra are a breathtaking vertical world, where sunlight dances across a sea of emerald leaves, and mist weaves through towering giants. Life unfolds high in the canopy, a sprawling city of green alive with the calls of gibbons, the flutter of wings, and the rustle of leaves in the breeze. For creatures here, trees are highways, homes, and sanctuaries. Branches sway under the weight of agile monkeys, while birds dart between blossoms and fruit. Among them, the orangutan, the person of the forest, is a master of arboreal life, moving with quiet grace through a labyrinth of limbs and leaves. With powerful arms, they navigate this complex world, constantly searching for food, pausing to listen for the distant call of a hornbill or the soft patter of rain on leaves. The forest is a mosaic of opportunity and challenge, demanding ingenuity and understanding. Each day brings new scents, shifting shadows, and the ever-present hum of life. Orangutans build new nests each night, weaving branches and leaves into sturdy cradles, their intimate connection with the environment written in every careful movement. Their survival depends on remembering hundreds of fruit trees and their seasons, tracking the subtle changes in the forest's rhythm. This mental map is a staggering feat of memory, passed down through generations as each orangutan learns to read the language of the treetops and thrive in this vibrant, ever-changing world. For orangutans, the quest for food is a daily challenge, with fruit as the ultimate prize. The forest's treasures often hang just beyond reach, posing a classic dilemma. Brute strength isn't enough. The orangutan must solve a puzzle posed by nature. It understands its body weight is the barrier to the desired fruit. This moment of recognition is crucial, where instinct gives way to problem-solving. The orangutan sits, contemplating the fruit, assessing the situation. This is not a vacant stare, it's active thought, weighing options and formulating a plan. The challenge forces the orangutan to consider the potential of objects in its environment. It is the fundamental question that sparks all tool use: how to manipulate the world to achieve the impossible. The answer lies scattered around, in the forest floor or branches. This is the catalyst for innovation, a test of patience and ingenuity. The orangutan's remarkable cognitive abilities reveal themselves in these quiet moments. Initial attempts often involve trial and error, with the orangutan struggling to balance on thin branches. Slipping and readjusting, it learns the limits of its reach and the strength of the branches. Observing the fruit from different angles, it plans its next move, showcasing its adaptability and intelligence. The orangutan sits beneath the canopy, fruit dangling just out of reach. It pauses, not in defeat but in a quiet, intense focus. Its mind turns inward, weighing options, replaying past attempts and considering what might work this time. It gazes upward, eyes darting from the swaying fruit to the slender branches, calculating the distance, the strength of each limb, and the shifting patterns of sunlight and shadow. In this stillness, the orangutan's thoughts echo. Is there a way? Can I reach it? What have I tried before? This is not mere instinct, but the careful reasoning of a thinker. The forest around it hums with life. Birds call, leaves rustle, and the orangutan's eyes scan every detail, searching for a branch, a stick, or even a stone that could help bridge the gap. It studies each object with care, considering their weight, length, and flexibility. Will this branch hold? Is it long enough? Can I bend it to my will? This is foresight in action, the mind picturing a solution before the body moves. The orangutan rehearses the steps in its mind, running through possible outcomes, success, failure, and everything in between, before making a move. This ability to pause, to reflect, and to imagine different futures is a sign of remarkable intelligence. With a plan forming, it selects a tool, understanding the link between action and result, and prepares to put its multi-step strategy into motion. In this moment of quiet thought, the orangutan is shaped by its environment, by the challenge of the fruit, the tools at hand, and the lessons of the forest. This measured, deliberate process is more than survival. It is a leap of cognition, a testament to the orangutan's ability to imagine, plan, and adapt, laying the groundwork for true tool use. With a clear goal, the orangutan begins a careful search, sifting through the forest floor for anything that might serve as a tool. It considers a variety of options: twigs, leafy stems, even vines, testing each for length, flexibility, and strength. Through trial and error, the orangutan rejects tools that are too brittle, too short, or too flimsy, learning from each failed attempt. When a promising candidate is found, it is not just selected, but improved, shaped and refined to better suit the task. The orangutan weighs its options, comparing each tool against an internal sense of what is needed, showing remarkable reasoning. Every movement is deliberate, revealing not just care, but a thoughtful process of evaluation and planning. After several rounds of testing and modification, the orangutan finally selects the tool that best fits its needs and climbs back to its perch. The entire sequence is a blend of experimentation and intention, each step bringing the orangutan closer to its goal. Now, with the ideal tool in hand, the orangutan prepares for the most technical part of the task. The search, full of trial, error, and insight, is complete. The orangutan is ready to execute its plan with the perfect tool. With the selected stick, the orangutan carefully settles into position, its eyes focused and intent. It extends the stick with meticulous concentration and control, aiming to hook the fruit with precision. The technique is sophisticated, requiring not only fine motor control, but also an understanding of the physics involved. The orangutan adapts its strategy based on the situation, showing remarkable flexibility and problem-solving skills. This process is a testament to its planning and foresight as it contemplates each move. The precise use of the tool is the culmination of a complex cognitive sequence, each step executed with care. It is a display of intelligence in action, bridging the gap between cognitive planning and physical execution. The orangutan's success is a beautiful demonstration of skill and precision, leaving observers in awe of its capabilities. The moment of triumph arrives as the orangutan grasps the fruit. It savors the sweet pulp, a reward for patience and skill. The joy is evident in its eyes, a moment of pure satisfaction. The meal is the conclusion of a complex intellectual exercise, a testament to its ingenuity. Tool use provides access to food otherwise unavailable, a survival advantage. The orangutan's determination and cleverness shine through. The orangutan repeats the process, methodically harvesting the cluster. Each successful attempt reinforces its confidence and skill. This technique conserves energy for vital activities, an evolutionary advantage. The sense of accomplishment is palpable. Intelligence is a powerful force in evolution, allowing access to more food. The orangutan's success is a reflection of its cognitive prowess. The orangutan's success is a result of cognitive skills, not luck. Its focused efforts and problem-solving abilities are remarkable. The sweet taste of fruit is a testament to a thoughtful mind in the wild. This achievement is a significant milestone in its daily life, a moment of triumph in the dense rainforest. Tool use among orangutans is far from universal. Different populations have developed their own unique techniques, passed down through generations. This diversity points to a rich tradition of learning, where knowledge is not inherited genetically, but shared and refined within each group. Young orangutans spend years closely observing their mothers and other adults, absorbing the skills they'll need to survive. This period of apprenticeship is crucial, as mothers patiently demonstrate how to select, shape, and use tools for specific tasks, like fishing for termites or extracting honey from hidden crevices. These lessons aren't limited to mother and child. In some communities, juveniles watch older siblings, aunts, or even unrelated adults, picking up subtle techniques and sometimes even inventing new ones. Social learning is at the heart of orangutan culture. Researchers have observed distinct traditions. In one region, orangutans might use sticks to pry open fruit, while in another, they fashion leafy gloves to handle prickly branches. These local customs are maintained and spread through imitation and shared experience. The rainforest itself becomes a living classroom where every day brings new opportunities to learn by watching others. Tool use is not just a practical skill, it's a social practice woven into the fabric of orangutan life. In groups where tool use is common, young orangutans are far more likely to master these techniques, benefiting from a community that values and reinforces innovation. This shared body of knowledge is the foundation of orangutan culture, enhancing their ability to adapt and thrive. Through these traditions, orangutans reveal a remarkable capacity for learning, creativity, and social connection. Their culture is a testament to the power of shared experience and the enduring legacy of cleverness passed from one generation to the next. Borneo and Sumatra's rainforests, the last strongholds for orangutans, are vanishing at an alarming rate due to a combination of environmental changes and human activities. Deforestation for palm oil, logging, and agriculture destroys critical habitat, while climate change alters the delicate balance of these ecosystems. As forests disappear, orangutan populations become isolated, and entire communities risk losing their unique skills, traditions, and knowledge passed down through generations. Fragmented habitats sever the vital connections between orangutans, breaking the chain of social learning and cultural transmission. The survival of orangutan tool use and problem-solving abilities is directly tied to the survival of their rainforest home. Conservation efforts, protecting forests, restoring habitats, and reducing human impact are crucial for preserving both orangutan populations and their remarkable intelligence. Without urgent action, we risk losing not just a species, but a rich culture and a world of non-human intelligence. The stakes are high for orangutans, for the rainforest, and for our understanding of the diversity of life on Earth. Orangutans challenge the belief that humans are the only species with complex planning. Their wisdom is woven into every movement, every decision made high in the treetops. Their intelligence is perfectly adapted for arboreal existence, showing diverse expressions and a deep understanding of their environment. Watching an orangutan solve a problem reveals a different kind of consciousness, one that values patience, creativity, and learning from experience. Conservation is about preserving extraordinary demonstrations of life's ingenuity, and the orangutan is a living testament to the power of adaptation. Protecting orangutans means preserving a mind, a culture, and ancient knowledge passed down through generations, wisdom that sustains the forest itself. Their survival enriches our planet, for orangutans are gardeners of the rainforest, spreading seeds and nurturing the ecosystem for countless other species. Orangutans hold up a mirror to ourselves, showing our shared evolutionary roots and reminding us of the value of empathy, cooperation, and respect for all life. Protecting them is an act of stewardship, a promise to honor the wisdom of nature and to learn from the gentle guardians of the forest. The wisdom of the forest people is a precious gift we cannot afford to lose. In their presence, we are reminded that true intelligence is not just about solving problems, but about living in harmony with the world around us.